good size one.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Motherfucker zinging. Good shit, man.
Whoa,
This one we might have to put on the scale. Get a better view.
Didn't even hit the bottom. First cast, son.
All right, it's on then over here. This is the spot. You can't give up game. Hell yeah. Dragging hella toolies too, I bet. That's what they do.
Oh, yeah, he's sitting down there on the tool.
See something. What kind of Senko were you using? That green pumpkin?
Yes, sir. He's just sitting down there.
Yeah, he's wrapping your shit up.
Come on, buddy. He's fighting again. This is crazy. This is a monster, I'm telling you.
Yeah,
Come on.
it's wrapped up in them toolies.
No.
Is he inside the toolie? Did he get off?
I can't get that Philly off. It's a fun now. Water's kind of shallow too.
He's wrapped up good in them toolies. I'm gonna put this right.
Look at all that tool. I got a bunch of them.
Man, part two.
Oh my
He
God.
finally got it in. I'm getting the scale on this one, folks.
Oh my God.
I'm definitely, you guys, this, I'm gonna say 5 at least. At least 5.
Oh my God.
Thank you, Jamie from Valley Tackle. Put me up on game.
Oh, he was hooked in the face. That's why.
That was perfect. That was a good
Oh no,
hook set.
the hook just came out.
Oh yeah, you're lucky, bro. Here, just put that down and grab that motherfucker.
I don't even know. I don't even know. Oh my God.
Come on, son.
That's a monster.
Pick him up. Let's put him on the scale. I know he's in the moment right now. I would be in the moment. That's a lunk, son. That's a lunk. Every time I bring you out here, man, you bring us good luck, Mike. Grab him with your. You don't want that motherfucker to come off. Oh my God, dude.
Oh my God.
Oh my, come on, dude. Here, hold this scale.
Son of a bitch. I'm just lost. I'm
That's a
so
chunk.
stuck.
Put him on a scale. Hook him in there. Make sure his guilt he gets in there.
Oh my God. I'm just.
Get that fat motherfucker in there. Oh, he's 4.74. That's a fat 4.74,
fat
son.
ass fish.
Are you sure that's not on kilograms? That don't seem right, dude. That seems bigger than a 4 fucking pound bass, dude. And almost a 5. That's.
No, I can't get it out of his fucking.
Oh wait. Oh, you can just do it nice and easy.
I'm just so fucking.
Was it on poundage?
Yes.
LB? Yeah.
Right under 5.
Yeah. That's a hog, dude. There, grab him. Grab him, put him up to the, just get in there. Ah, there we go. Yeah, hold him with both hands. Let me get that. So people see how big. That's a chunk, dude. It's fucking awesome, bro.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna take some pictures. Hold up. I'm gonna take some pictures. All right, guys.
Boy, we got something going on here. Oh, there you go. Yes, sir. Another hog.
Nice.
You doing big things today, boy.
Thank you, son. Hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
I'm back on him. Back on him. Let's get this shit off of her. Oh, bearded lady. Oh yeah. Nice little chunk. Oh, thank you.
Took a couple pictures and video.
It's down there. Can't even see.
There she is right there.
Another good one. Here's let me see. I could probably get it. Oh shit, get her right there. Got her.
There she is.
Got her.
Oh, yes, sir.
All right. That's what I'm talking about.
Let's get your ass cleaned up. Right on the side of the mouth again.
Good hooks up.
Oh, shit. Oh, what the fuck? Did my shit just break? They sure did.
There.
That's why I found them.
Nice.
There he goes.
Nice little chunk. All right. Once again, we back. Oh, we're gonna delete that.